Right, I didn't intend selling these. But if it's easier to buy from me than Temu, I can probably sell these for a £2 profit. Sell these for £10 if you want them. Sell the inverter here. It'll be a 10 amp one, it's slightly cheaper. It'll work, but if you want the 20 amp one, let me know. And that again, the whole lot £20 anyway. This, which cost me, last one cost me £13, I think. This cost me between £6 and £9, depending on which supplier. So let's say £20. I'm going to try to price them at £20 plus postage, whatever postage is. Yeah, I'll try and put that on if I put that on, or a link to Temu. We'll have to see. Might be better a link to Temu. A link to Temu might do, but might be better.